And in this next module we're looking at competency-based interviews. It's quite important for the module that you try not to read ahead and try and do the tasks in the order that we've set them out in the learning programme, just to maximise your learning. In the competency-based interview we're going to be covering three key things. The first is, how do you score? That's how do you hit points, how do you score on that marking guide, so obviously that's vital. We'll be looking at how you're going to structure your answers to get your best score possible, and we'll be looking at how you can develop your answers in between now and you going for the assessment centre, when you actually attend your assessment centre. Now, the competency-based interview, it differs to the last two modules that we've done, in that the last modules we weren't really interested in the competencies and the behavioural statements. We showed you a system for dealing with the role plays and the written proposals, and you didn't need to know the competencies or know what the behavioural statements were. For the competency-based interview, that is very different. You do need to know what the competencies are, and you need to know the behavioural statements for those competencies. So one of the things we'll be doing in the next task, we'll be given the actual competencies to have a look at and study and try and get an